Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 444 Hilliard Street in Manchester, Connecticut. This is a conveniently located, adorable home that you're going to love. It has 1,354 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. It also has a front porch that's great because this house is set up on a little knoll. The nice thing is, if you're in the front porch, it's great. It has a lot of windows. You can enjoy your morning coffee there and watch the sunrise. And on the back, we have a large sunroom in the back. It's a 3-season porch, but it does have a wood stove. So you can have heat out there as well, and you can end your nights and enjoy your wine out on the back sunroom. Inside, you're gonna love that this is nice and clean and bright. All of your woodwork is nice and bright and white. You have thermopane windows, 100 amp electrical. You have steam heating, so it's nice and warm in here and cozy. One of the things that I love, this kitchen has nice white cabinets. It's a very bright kitchen. It has a window that sees through into the sunroom, a great mudroom when you come in, and first floor laundry. Everybody's always looking for first floor laundry. It has 3 large bedrooms. All of them have large closet space, which is also very enjoyable. You have ceiling fan lights, and everything is in really good condition with this home. Vinyl siding. You have a nice patio out to the side where you can do your grilling or have some family fun in the summertime. You have a garage that actually has a wood stove there, so you have some heat as well. And another garage in the back that they're using for storage or like a shed. It's a big yard, you're on 3/4 of an acre, which is also very inviting for Manchester. You're conveniently located right by Adams Street or right by the center. So you're in a great location next to shopping and restaurants and highways and everything that you would need.
Call Team Gabriel, make it yours too.
So if you would like more information about this beautiful home, or maybe you want to be among the first to receive pictures, then give me a call, 860-926-5101, or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.